So I'm back up in Maine this week. It is May 15th and it's right around sunset. I'm going to head over to Boothbay Harbor and try to get a nice shot of some of the boats on their moorings out in the bay there. And maybe some of the footbridge in town as the sun's going down. It looks like there's some high altitude clouds, so we might get a nice sunset out of it. We'll see. So I'm heading up across the cove over the other side of these buildings. I could have drove there, but I need the exercise, so we're just gonna walk. Really?
It was the shell though.
Oh, maybe something grabbed it from up top.
No, I think they hatched.
Oh, this isn't quite the view I was looking for. There's a big fishing boat. So this is called photo pills. And what you do, just get it orientated, and it tells you where the sun is and where it's going to set. So hopefully it's going to land about there, and we'll get a nice sun cast right through those docks with the fishing boats to the side here. That's the plan, at least. We'll see how it goes. Still waiting. Takes a little while. It's not much to do. I'm waiting for it to pop out and hopefully illuminate the upper part. But probably another 15-20 minutes. Well, I guess I'll get home, edit these up, see what we got, and until next time, guys, take care.